Yo, what's good? What's happening? What's poppin'? This is Battler from 777FX. Today we are going to be dropping another Nasdaq analysis video, another general analysis video. Just going to be short, quick, and sweet. I want to drop more like educational content because like the analysis videos, yes, they're educational, but I think I've done at least 30 now. I'm on my 30th video. Most of them are analysis videos. So we do like educational content, like teaching the candlesticks, supply and demand, market structure, all that shit. But that's gonna be coming up in the recent days, weeks. We're just gonna go over Nasdaq from the last time. I do believe that in the last video I actually dropped, I was looking for buy orders within this area right here, within this 4 hour demand zone, within this daily demand zone actually, but within that 4 hour demand zone. So that was what we were looking for at this point right here. But price did come down, create this low, this 4 hour swing low right here. Right, so it was creating lows. So if it does break below any one of these lows, we are looking to like take a reversal entry, right? So if price breaks this low right here, we're gonna find a demand zone within this area, supply zone within this area that we can actually take sales off of. You feel me? But that's for now. But now if price does break these highs, right over here, we're gonna look for demands on within this area and take buys off of. You feel me? But we are more on the bias of the buys than the sells. Just because we're looking at like market structure. Look at Nasdaq on a daily, guys. This shit ain't stopping. It's just rising and rising and rising. You feel me? So yeah, excuse me. So right now, I just want to make this quick, short, and simple. So right now, what happened is price didn't actually go as low as we thought it would, and price came back, retested this demand zone, this forward demand zone right here. Give us a retest off that zone if we refine it. Give us a retest off this forward demand zone right here. Fucking YouTube ads. Yes, sir. Give us a retest of that forward demand zone right there. It wasn't really, the range was even less than 50 pips, you feel me? And yeah, we did go at least like, yeah, 20 pips upwards. Tucker would have been around 130, 140 pips, easy. Also did give us a tap of the 50 MA ID50 setup. Go watch my Nasdaq intraday straight strategy, which is a video I also gotta watch. Yeah, my Nasdaq intraday strategy is like my third video that explains the ID50 and a lot of the things that you'll be watching now. So yeah, that's actually what happened. Price did come back, give us a tap within this demand zone right here, give us a buy, breaking this previous high right here. So now the price is broken this specific high. Now the price is broken this specific high. We do see that we have a potential for price to actually give us buy entries within this order block right here, which is the most recent order block. But the price did come back up, retest this order block, give us a tap on that order block, and we're now halfway into the move. Sorry about that. We're now halfway into the move upward, so we can't necessarily get in here, and we can't necessarily look for maybe a second tap within the order block and then look to go to the upside. We don't trade that. It's not within our plan. You feel me? So what exactly are we gonna do at this moment? All I'm gonna do is just wait. Right now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna look at how price is gonna like play out in the next 3 hours because I do sleep at like 5 o'clock. In the next 3 hours, I'll see how price is moving in the area. I'll probably be up by like 12 ish, basically on NY open, and that's when we'll be analyzing and looking for entries. You feel me? That's the only time we'll be looking for entries on Nasdaq because right now there's no other thing I can do than just sit on my hands and just wait for price to give me an ideal setup. They did give me an ideal setup yesterday, but it was over my homie's birthday. I have my priorities. I'm not straight. I was with my friends, so yes, one thing I gotta sort out. But it happens. We miss trades. But I've been trading very poorly for the last 2 months. I don't know what's happening. But like, let's just stick to it. As many failures as I have gotten, I'm still moving on because I do understand the bigger vision right now. is success. The bigger vision is a couple M's, you know. Can't let like couple thousands lost deter me from that. So yeah, guys. So that's basically Nasdaq for me right now. It's a bit iffy. By iffy, I mean like it's for a lot of people. I'm pretty sure it's moving a great way because I'm pretty sure they're fibbing it out. 61.8, 78.6. Fibbing it out. Price comes back as a tap on the demand zone. Buy. You feel me? A lot of people are riding the buy. They're riding the uptrend. With Nasdaq, I'm looking to also ride it, but actually just hold my buys for now and see what price will give me. Okay, but that's basically it for Nasdaq, guys. That's just it. Just to not make this video like very short, I'm also gonna analyze GJ, which I don't even trade GJ anymore, but I watch GJ almost daily. The reason for that is I want to focus on Nasdaq first and like clock one key thing first instead of like, instead of like a couple things. Those are the things I want to clock first and actually understand and get to know. And once I know it's okay, I've got GJ on lock, then I can start like actually like um going back to GJ and start trading it. Once I'm trading Nasdaq, withdrawing weekly, monthly, getting my payouts, living now, then I'll start going on to GJ because I really do like GJ in that sense. So let's just go over GJ. We're just gonna go over a higher time frame analysis. So I'm gonna start on the monthly. So we're gonna look at the monthly. The monthly is also very fucking choppy. All currencies are choppy at the moment. They're consolidating. I've never seen this much consolidation, but it's basically moving within these two price ranges. Right now, as you guys can see, we don't have anything on the left, so we don't have like any supply demand zone monthly because we just broke this previous monthly supply zone right here. You feel me? You just broke it at around March, yeah. We just broke it. So now we go down to the weekly. You look at the candlestick formations on the weekly. On the weekly, we do see that we're actually at a weekly demand zone. You feel me? Because we're looking at this high right here that got broken, creating the specific BFI supply or demand zone. Sorry, supply or demand zone. Refining it on the weekly to that. So that's basically what happened. This is a valid BFI zone right here. Gave us buyers off of there. Okay, and then we go down to the daily. Now we know that happened, and so now we're looking for Nasdaq to we're looking for. You see how much I trade Nasdaq. All I do is think about Nasdaq. So we're looking at this demand zone right here on the daily, which price to come back, tap first, give us a buy off, tap first, and then give us a buy off. But now the fact that we got so many taps within this demand zone, one, like let's just there's like one, two, three, four flipping retest within that zone. Okay, so on a strong demand zone, we would look for just one retest and price to continue and never really come back to the point. If price comes back a second, third, fourth, fifth time, it's the weaker and weaker as the zone gets. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see by the momentum. Um, Please just look at how much it moved on the first tap. Look at how much it moved on the second tap. Look at how much it moved on the third tap. Look at how much it moved on the fourth tap. I doubt on the fourth tap it will break above this high right jump. So now we're looking. I doubt on the fourth tap it will break above this high. So now we're looking at this area right here. Look at this. Look at the first tap, how much bullish volume there was. Second tap, there was less bullish order flow volume. Third tap, there was less. So each and every tap, it goes back into the demand zone. It's lessening the bullish order flow volume that was within the demand zone, meaning eventually it will invalidate that demand zone and break it. So now what we're looking for is we're looking for sell orders for that specific reason because we doubt that price will actually break above this high right here. You feel me? Without the price will break above this high and this specific yeah, we're gonna zoom in like very heavy and we do actually have a demand zone, a supply zone. Shit, we do actually have a supply zone at this point right here. and it is a valid supply zone. Sorry, it is a valid supply zone in the sense that we did break these previous lows right here. At least three previous lows we did break them. All right, so now price is coming back within this supply zone. BFI footprint order block. That's why I say order block because I sometimes get them mixed around. I know a lot of people do. Like they'll say supply zone or demand zone when it's not, when it's the opposite. But like I get it, we all get it. So yeah, and then basically there's our demand zone. So we are actually looking for price to actually come back within this demand zone right here. If you feel me, we're looking for price to actually come back within this demand zone right here. We have broken these heights right here. Um, which actually doesn't make any significance to our analysis. The fact that we broke this high, because the order block that we're looking to sell off is right over here. So we're looking for price to come back into its order block, give us a 15-minute confirmation candlestick, and we will be looking to take price bearish a bit longer. You feel me? So that's basically it. I don't actually want to go any lower than I should than the 4 hour. You feel me? Boom. Any lower than we should on the 4 hour. Can like see, yeah, it does mark out the OP. Marks out this OP. Remember the OP is like from the base to the extreme, base to the extreme. You feel me? So yeah, basically it, guys. So that's basically Nasdaq and GJ. For me, I'm looking for bearish GJ, bullish Nasdaq. Okay, so that's just me. 777 FX, Splash and I'm signing out.